Hello, I am Tony Yuan. In this video, I'll show you how to run a large language model on your own device. You can get it to answer questions, write essays, summarize documents, and even write and review code. It runs entirely on your device, even without an internet connection, which ensures data privacy. It is only 3 simple steps. First, let's install the Wasm Edge runtime. It is a WebAssembly runtime that ensures your AI application runs on all devices without any change. It supports CPU, GPU, Intel, AMD, ARM, Apple Silicon, NVIDIA, Linux, macOS, and more. You can run it on your laptops, servers, edge devices, and even IoT devices like NVIDIA Jetset.
You only need one command to install Wasm Edge. See how quick that was? A great benefit of Wasm Edge is that it is very small and has no complex dependencies. It is only a few megabytes. We don't need to install gigabytes of Python packages or Docker images.
Now let's move on to step 2. In order to create a large language model application, you will need to download a model file.
That command there was downloaded the Llama2 7B model. This model, it can run on devices with 8 gigabytes of memory. If you have larger devices, you can select a larger Llama2 13B or even 70B model. Okay, so the Llama2 7B model is now successfully installed.
Finally, in step 3, we'll download a simple Wasm Edge application. This will provide a command line interface around the Llama2 model.
Here, this Wasm file is cross-platform, meaning that it can be directly copied over to different devices without requiring any change.
That's it. Let's try to chat with the model now.
This command here uses Wasm Edge to load the Wasm program and run the Llama2 model. Now, let's ask a question about the chemical elements. See? So it says the most abundant element is the universal hydrogen, which is correct. Lightest or most abundant, which is also correct. Let's also ask a follow-up question. Yes, it is a gas. Lightest or most abundant gas in the universe, 75%. Yeah, see? So it answered correctly, and now we can ask it another question. It's not coming in our atmosphere. Light is element, not found in pure form. See, so it knows all of these questions, it knows all the answers, and it answers them quickly and correctly.
It achieves about 30 tokens per second on my MacBook, which is about 30 times faster than human speech. On my old NVIDIA 1090 graphics card, it also achieves about 30 tokens per second. On my Jetson IoT device, it runs at about 20 tokens per second. Now, let's look behind the scenes to see how the chatting works. It is important to understand that large language models are fine-tuned with chat templates. It understands questions and answers in specific formats. For example, for Llama 2, you need to enclose each question in a pair of INST tags, which is then followed by the answer. The SYS tag at the beginning of the conversation provides the overall context. Here is an example. Since we are building the chat template ourselves, we need a different Wasm application to send plain text to the model.
Okay, so this Wasm file is also cross-platform, meaning that it can be directly copied over to different devices without any change again.
Now, let's ask the first question with a system prompt.
So this prompt instructs the large language model to answer concisely, and then it asks the first question. See, so it answered in one short sentence. Now, in order to ask the next question, you must play back the entire chat history using the template format, and then append your new question at the end in a pair of instruction tags. It looks like this. So you can see in the second question, the it refers to hydrogen in the first answer. The app can only answer this correctly if it follows a conversation. You can go on by adding to the template with each Q&A. The chat application you saw previously simply automated this process for you.
Now you can run the Llama2 large language model on your own device. Wasm Edge provides a portable and secure sandbox to run your own applications that are built on top of those models. Wasm Edge applications can also be managed by container tools such as Docker and Kubernetes. We will discuss these Wasm applications in future videos. Stay tuned.